Hello and welcome to the Low Emission Program, where we tell you all about today's mobility problems and fixes, or how to get around more efficiently and pollute less. We call it range anxiety. You know that fear of our batteries running out before reaching the still too rare next charging station? Well, today it's one of the main barriers to the mass adoption of electric vehicles. But what if we lifted the veil on the subject by exploring solutions? How, you ask? Well, first, let's visit a community of individuals ready to share their outlets. Then, we'll focus on wireless recharging, a promising solution coming in the not too distant future. So how's that for anxiety reduction? While most electric vehicles charge at home during the night, it is still necessary to have a recharging infrastructure for our reassurance when we're not at home. According to forecasts by the Ministry of Ecology in France, nearly 1 million terminals will be installed in 2015, and almost 10 million in 2025. However, considering that most electric car models offer between 120 and 150 kilometers of range, and that today in France 80% of all car trips are less than 55 kilometers, it seems more than enough. Plugsurfing is a community of electric vehicle drivers connecting to share not only public and commercial recharging station locations, but also to offer their own private recharging outlets, so you'll never be stranded without battery power. This sharing concept idea was born in Berlin, out of the idea of couch surfing, when young electric car owners decided to share much more than their couch.
Un particulier qui a équipé sa maison ou son parking avec une solution de recharge pour voiture électrique peut la mettre à disposition grâce à notre site web ou notre application pour smartphone et ainsi s'arranger avec les autres conducteurs qui ont besoin d'énergie pour organiser des recharges.
The Plugsurfing application is free and indexes up to 120,000 charging stations, both public and private, in 8 different countries. In just a few clicks, a driver running low on electricity can connect, see the exact location of the closest terminals available around them with an interactive map, and make an appointment with the provider. One can also rate and comment on the terminals visited.
Donc dans le principe, c'est pas vraiment de faire du profit par rapport à l'électricité, mais plus d'avoir une communauté conviviale qui s'entraide. L'idée, c'est de ne pas tuer la voiture électrique dans l'œuf, mais vraiment de créer une communauté de gens enthousiastes par rapport à cette électromobilité pour ainsi faire évoluer ce déplacement en véhicule électrique.
And what if one day we no longer needed to connect for recharging our electric vehicles? Yes, an innovative new idea has been proposed by the New Zealand society Halo IPT, a system of wireless recharging based on the principle of inductive power transfer. Simply put, it's a technology similar to that used to recharge electric toothbrushes, but bigger. To recharge an electric car is going to be simple and feasible, even when in use. All you'll need is a transmitter and a receiver. Emitters can be placed along roads or alone, such as in the office or at home, for example. And like the Eva Tran company, who has started to set up charging stations, such as the Google headquarters in Mountain View, California, where vehicles are equipped with a receiver in order to pick up energy from wireless terminals there. Well, that's it for the Low Emission Program today. As always, I invite you to follow us on ecomobility.tv. I wish you a great new year and see you soon in the next episode.